Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today we want to share with you wonders they say shall never end. See, there is every reason why progress the analysis here, and I am here to keep you updated. Now, a lot happened, of which I told you also that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu visited Enugu State on 4th of January 2025. A lot happened that Ohanaeze Ndigbo and some of the governors, some of the leaders also asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu about the release of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu. What is really going on? What is keeping Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu? Why is it that you don't want to release Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu? We are asking that you should release Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu because another election is coming. Do you think that if you did not release Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu, the people will agree to vote for you? You have to do something. Meanwhile, I keep on hitting it that this keeping of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu, let's check the governors, let's check the leaders, let's check any of these people. They are in a better way and in the better shoe to talk to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu about the release of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu. We know that during this election, when some governors want to protest, they will say, oh, we are asking for the immediate release of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu, because they know that that name Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu, if you mention them, if they shake, something they happen. And you see everybody, oh, we want the release of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu. And a lot of people will say, okay, let us vote for this governor. Let us vote for this person. When we vote for him and he is the governor, things will work out. He will use his power. He will use his office to do this. At the end of the day, the person go enter. We're not going to see him again. So as soon as Tinubu finished with the meeting or with the project, he returned back to Abuja. And a lot of people were asking, why is it that anytime they gave Tinubu this assignment or they tried to ask him question, he will never give a response to that question about the release of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu? And why is it that some people, some of the governors are not really serious about asking Tinubu this question? And what happened? When Tinubu returned back to Abuja, he reasoned it, and meanwhile, the family of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu has also said there is an agreement that if Tinubu assumes office as the president of Nigeria, they will immediately, or he will immediately release Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu. This is the third year. Nothing has happened. Now, Tinubu went back and tried to contact the barrister Aloh EJIMAKOR, saying they are going to give Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu trial, that the case of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu is going to reopen. This is what the barrister wrote. Now, this is what he said. We are not against trial, but that Justice Bitter, having rescued herself, she can no longer preside over the case. Recall that Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu stated in open court that he no longer have confidence in the judge, especially as the Supreme Court also stated that her impartiality is suspect. And he rejects Nigeria government move to set date for resumption of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu's trial. These are all stories. I and you know very well that Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu will not get free trial, will not be tried freely, will not be given that opportunity, because a lot of things is going to follow this trial. Now, a case that has been acquitted and discharged, what trial did they really want to try Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu? Now, as I said before, they now try to set up a date for the resumption of Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu. And we know very well that when they set up this date, Mnk'S Nnamdi Kanu will appear in court. Before you see, they are going to adjourn the case till the next 6 months. And when they adjourn the case in the next 6 months, they adjourn again the next 8 months. They will tell you the judge is sick, the court is locked, blah, blah, blah. Before you see, it's 2027 already. Now they will tell you that they will resume the case immediately after the election. Everything will be fine. And after the election, what will happen? nothing, they will still continue again. So it's just like they are using the case of Nnamdi Kanu. They are using Nnamdi Kanu. They are benefiting from what is happening right now. Do you really think that the governors in southeastern part of Nigeria will give a welcoming arm to say, okay, Nnamdi Kanu should be released before 2027 election? Come on. Is impossible. They want to enrich themselves through the case of Nnamdi Kanu. They want to remain in their office because they know that anytime they are using Nnamdi Kanu to make campaign, it is always going smoothly. They always get the mandate of the people because they believe that if this person that is talking about Nnamdi Kanu entered office, everything is going to change. To an extent, Tinubu even used them. They say, I will release Nnamdi Kanu, allow the vote to go on, vote for me, do this for me, do that for me. And after everything what happened, till date, they are sending Nnamdi Kanu back again to the court. You guys know the wuru-wuru, the katakata, the ups and downs that follows anytime Nnamdi Kanu will appear in court. You know what normally follows. It's not a joking issue at all. So the lawyer barrister Aloh EJIMAKOR rejecting any trial. I don't need any date for a trial of Nnamdi Kanu because if you people are sending Justice Binta again, that means there is something. You guys record that since that September, Justice Binta said he don't want to be part anymore. He wants to remove herself from the case. So what is so special in Justice Binta that they are bringing her back again? He should commence the trial for Nnamdi Kanu. You guys know that a lot of people will say, Nnamdi Kanu should remain in that place, while some will say, free him and let him go. But in all, this trial that they are preparing is not going to favor Nnamdi Kanu at all because he cannot get that justice that he ever needed. He commit no crime. Rather, they should send him back to Kenya, to UK, so that if they want to continue that case. But for now, it is not advisable. So I also appreciate the lawyer that quickly recall and said, no, we don't need any date because the courts have discharged this case. Nnamdi Kanu has no case to answer. So why do you want to fix court date now? Meanwhile, to his own suggestion, he's saying that he don't want Justice Binta to handle the case. He's scared because Justice Binta is not handling this case the way she should handle it. Okay, so that is why the barrister said they have lost confidence. They don't believe her. Nnamdi Kanu also said the same thing openly. He said, Madam, carry your body from this case because they see that something is not right. Now, what do you see? Wait you there. If you sit down, what are you seeing about the case of Nnamdi Kanu? They are just using it for politics. That is just it. But the bottom line is, the lawyer said they don't want Justice Binta and they don't need any date for trial because Nnamdi Kanu cannot get free trial in Nigeria. So, my beautiful family, what is your take on all these issues? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Do you think that the barrister should allow this trial to happen? Or he should take his stand? Drop your opinion in the comment section and I will be in the comment section with you. Please do well to share our videos. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep giving you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and see you in my other video. Bye for now.